Hi everyone and welcome to Studio de Sol. My name is Lina and in today's video I'm going to be attempting to create a petal cane to make a lily flower, so let's get started. And here's the clay colors I'm going to be using in today's tutorial. I'm also going to be mixing these two tones of yellow. Also I'm going to be using translucent and white polymer clay, two tones of the pink, dark burgundy color. After I condition all of the colors, I start making the Skinner blend. And here's the colors that I've mixed. The very first triangle is a translucent polymer clay, followed by white polymer clay, then yellow, again little layer of translucent, light pink, darker pink, after that white and translucent again. Looking back at it right now, it can be less of the colors. It can be just three colors like white, yellow, and pink, but I wanted to make it more realistic, and I was hoping that the translucent clay gonna mix with white and make it more like a natural look, but you're gonna see what it's gonna turn into. So I'm flattening all this clay, and after that just start mixing on a pasta machine. Here's the blend that I've got. Now I'm folding it and turning into thin ribbon. After that, I'm folding the ribbon. And after that, I'm adding a little bit more of a translucent clay on the edge. And as you can see, I have this taller rectangular shape, and now I'm gonna be shrinking it. So here's how the blend look on the inside. And what I'm doing next, I'm adding those little dark spots that the lily petal has on the inside. I'm also dividing the cane into 4 parts and randomly adding on the pieces of the dark clay. After that, following the colors, I'm attaching all 4 pieces back together and shrinking them. here's how it looks on the inside. Then I again slicing this in half, attaching together, shrinking one more time. And here I'm adding this darker pink. It's gonna be like a little line in the middle of the petal. So I'm adding this just on one side and attaching two pieces together. And here's how the cane looks on the inside. It got a little bit blurry in the camera, but here's the closer look. Next steps I'm showing you is already how I was assembling the flower of the lily, and because it was very small, I decided to go with the photos step by step because it's gonna be, I think, easier to understand. So what I did first, I sliced the cane into 6 petals, and as you can see, I tried to make them as thin as possible. After that, each petal I'm going to apply into a silicone mold to add a little bit of the texture, and also using an awl, I'm adding a little line in the middle. Doing that with all 6 petals, attaching them together. After that, I'm removing that with the blade and attaching into that self-made aluminum foil mold. So I just pretty much did a little dips into the foil so it can help me to shape the flower. Then I'm arranging the petals so they look more natural, like the flower of the lily. And then I'm adding the centerpieces using that dark clay. I'm just rolling it really thin and then using the awl, kind of dividing and at the same time grabbing it and attaching it to the center of the flower. This is how my flowers look like. Then I baked them for like 30-40 minutes, and after they got baked, this is when I added on those darker dots on the inside. Here's the closer look on the flowers when they got baked. And with these ones, it was a test run, so I was just playing around and seeing the designs that I wanted to do. After that, I created another cane with a little bit different color combination because I wanted my lilies to be more pink and white. Even though I liked the first try, it was really nice, but I really wanted to go for pink and white color. So I created another cane, and here's the result for this. Iran's assembling process I'm going to be posting as a special video for my members here on YouTube and also separately on Patreon, so check it out if you already subscribed. Thank you so much for being part of my creative community. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we see each other in the next video.